Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks, and one of my viewers sent me this. He took my woven basket that we've done over the last couple of days and, well, woven ring, twisted rope, or whatever you want to call it, and he put them into a basket type deal. And while I was playing around with this is pretty weird. If you move over here and move your mouse wheel, it's pretty weird what it does there. But how he did that, I don't know, but I can only guess. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna break these apart. And there's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, there's 8, 9 of them. So, and they are grouped together. So if we grab both of them, let's see if we use the blend tool. We'll go to effects and blend. We've already got, so we need to do 7 of them. And he blended them, but it didn't come out perfect. I'm gonna have to ask him how he did that. That's still a pretty cool effect. Let's still go, 9 and see what happens. Whoop. So you still don't get a perfect blend, but that's a pretty cool effect right in itself. Now, probably how he did it is, and a lot of times this doesn't work. Let's move this out of the way. Let's Control D and make a duplicate, and then holding down the Shift key, bring it in, and then Control D again. But that's not how he did it either. He must have just done it by hand, because Control D is going to keep making it. So if you just hit the plus key on your keyboard and just keep holding down the Shift button, and then hit the plus key and just keep bringing them in. He probably did them by hand. I didn't hit the plus key on that second one, I guess. And then you'd have to zoom in to make sure you've got them equally spaced. And maybe he'll chime in and if he did it differently. So, but you can always hold down the Shift key and make it just a little bit bigger. Grab that one. Get off of it, grab that one, hold down the Shift. And you can make them evenly spaced. So the blend doesn't really particularly work in this case because we're going into a circle. Anyway, little fun idea he did. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.